Hello everyone! Today we are making the best baked mixed veggies with cheese and breadcrumbs. We need 2 cups of Panko breadcrumbs. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, some freshly ground black pepper, then add 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. And finally, half a cup of grated parmesan. Mix this together and set it aside. Today we are using eggplant, carrots, potatoes and zucchini. We are also going to use red and yellow bell peppers. Start with the eggplant. You can cut them in cubes if you like, but we prefer to cut them in long, thick strips. When you're done cutting the eggplant, place the eggplant in a strainer. Sprinkle some salt over it. You do this to pull out some excess water. It will also help with pulling out some of that natural bitterness that the eggplant has. You can, of course, if you prefer, peel the potatoes before cutting them into stripes. When you're finished chopping all your veggies, you have to add some salt and olive oil, and then mix it around a little bit. Then add your breadcrumb mix and mix it again a little bit. Then place them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Do this for all the veggies except the eggplant. This is also a good time to preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Now on to the eggplant. Place the eggplant between 2 paper towels. Press gently to get rid of the excess water. Then add olive oil and breadcrumb mix. Don't add any more salt. The only thing you need to keep in mind when cooking these is to add similar veggies that has similar cooking times on the same plate. For example, potatoes and carrots, they want a little bit longer in the oven, so you can place them together. Eggplant, zucchini and peppers also have about the same cooking time. Bake the veggies at 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes.